Hi, my name is Sean, pinsetter mechanic, certified to work on Brunswick A82 and jetback pinsetters. Today we're going to be doing adjustment 33, the cross conveyor belt adjustment. This is just make sure that your belts are tensioned properly, because if not, then they ain't going to be carrying up any pins. So the first thing is they tell you to remove spring idler pulleys. I don't have any on here, but I know what they're talking about because I think we only have one machine that has them, and that might be here. Yeah, so on 13 we have these the tension pulleys for the cross conveyor belt, which is always weird because I'm like, wonder why some of them have it, some of them don't. I don't know. But anyways, if you have them, make sure you take that off. Secondly, oh my god, what is all this shit? Okay. Fuck the book. See this? This is a tool. This is a tool for doing cross conveyor belts. I didn't know that for the longest time. I just saw it and I'm like, wonder what that's from. Until I actually got to do this shit. So you're gonna need this. You need a 1/2" wrench, okay? So, like I said, you're gonna take those springs off, so that way the belt has no tension on it. And well, if you have those, this belt's fine, but I'll tell you what to do. So once you take those off, take your shit and it goes right underneath the cross conveyor. You see that? It's like a lip. So it goes underneath, sits on there. But before you do that, you're gonna wanna loosen your 1/2" bolts on the inside here, okay? Once those are loosened, then you take your thing, get in there, you pry that bitch back. And then while you're doing that, go and tighten up your 1/2" bolts. Yeah, bolts. You go ahead and do that. Once that's done, then if you have those tension pulley things, you go ahead and put your springs back on, and you're fucking done. 4 steps. 4 steps in a sentence or less. Versus this shit. I hate how complicated the book makes some of these simple adjustments sound. Can't stand it. So anyways, yeah. That's your cross conveyor belt adjustment. Super simple. The book is fucking stupid when it comes to this. Unless you're one of those people that are like, okay, I understand words. I understand lots of words. But, you get confusing after, hey, it's like, take off, okay, unhook the springs. Loosen up your 1/2" bolts. Put your tool in there. Pry it back. Tighten up your bolts. Put the springs back on. Done. Done. That's simple. And I don't know why they have to make it sound so damn complicated. Anyways, yeah. This is the adjustment. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. This is super simple. The book makes it sound so dumb. So if you have any questions for me, I'm more than happy to answer them to simplify some stuff. If you feel like sharing the video though, that'd be cool. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.